Today, I will teach you how to use GKA3 to draw a CAD. You need to use includes CorelDraw, Inkscape, GKtoolsCAM. First, open CorelDraw and load the CAD. You can choose the size unit, layer size and zoom ratio. But I generally choose the default. Select all layers, select Bitmap, convert to Bitmap. Then, select Bitmap, Centerline Trace, Technical Illustration. Adjust the detail parameter value to the maximum. Smooth and corner smoothness are adjusted to the minimum. Check the details. Select and copy the generated single-line layer. Open Inkscape. Paste the copied layer into Inkscape. Select layer. Choose extensions, GKTOOLS tool, Gcode Output. Gcode Output parameter settings. Select the app and wait for Gcode to be generated. After Gcode is generated, open GKtoolsCAM. Set the parameters and the initial position of the machine, and place the paper. Select Load Gcode. Select the Gcode and click OK to engrave.